smoke at the top of the water. Did you hear that?
He tried to kill it with his tail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big.
There he goes. Oh, fish, fish, fish. Hey guys, this is David with Mercer Outdoors. Out here with my good buddies Ken and Scotty. Get in here, Scotty. We're gonna see if we can get it done on Lake Russell today. It's rainy and dreary, but perfect striper weather. So we're seeing activity all around us. So you guys, this is gonna be a fun day. Got to mention too, our buddy over here, Benji Smith. He's on the other side of the lake over here, but he's been a lot of help, and as well as Wesley Rose and Scott Perry. You can't thank these guys enough. So you guys come go with us today. It's gonna be fun. Stay dry. Come help me get baits out, boys. Huh? I'm gonna do a.
Where's the gizzard? He put a gizzard on that.
I got a big gizzard on one, and I'm gonna put a trout.
Trout on
the other. Trout.
A rag. You say one nostril and.
Through the mouth and out one nostril. So if you reel your rod in till the bead is at the tip, you pull out 1, 2, 6, 12. Look, I think we got to get close. Oh, look at that. Got the shad.
No, that's a
Trout.
trout.
Man, it's shallow.
You see rocks right there, it looks like.
Yeah, 2 foot of water.
We're chasing my bait up in the shallow is what you're doing. You want to drag tight.
Pretty much. I mean, where you can barely peel a little bit out, yeah. With a good bit of strength.
You're pulling on it hard. I had it where he had it.
I mean, I don't know if it was set right, so
It's pretty good right there. You picked up Baldwin.
there he is.
Fish on.
Fish on.
What you got lined up?
Oh, we ain't hung up.
Oh, yeah. Largemouth. Big old
Golly.
tournament winning largemouth. Here you go. On the net.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh yeah. 5 pounds.
Let that outer one out just a little bit more. It looks like it drops off. I mean, it's pretty deep all the way out there. I'm gonna maintain this spread with the boat. Oh. smoke on top of the water. You hear it?
He tried to kill it with his tail.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big
There he goes. Oh, fish, fish, fish. Oh, dude, this is bigger than freaking. No, that was a trout. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Come back, please.
Let him go. Get him, pick him up.
Head first. Yeah, baby. Hey, Lordy. Woo! Dang right.
Turn right. I could have got you on that. I guess that I got you so much last week. I mean,
Oh, man, you about to
All right. Thank you, bud. You let me have that one. I know you did. You was reeling in. You said, "Get it."
I wasn't touching it.
I'd have thrown that rod in the water and I'd have picked
If
it.
I would have touched it, I would have had to claim it.
Yeah. It's all our fish, man.
I caught it and gave it to Dave to reel in.
Well, just so you know, no matter who catches a
The
bigger fish
boat's
today,
catching them all.
I'm claiming it. Just so you know. Don't get your feelings hurt.
Yep, the boat. Owner operator caught it.
Well, I try to tell people, the boat catches them, you just reel them in.
Yeah, we're a team.
Power resource is.
Get ready, get ready.
Get
Yeah.
him, Dave. Oh, come on, baby.
Go. He's gone.
Get him, Ken.
Get him out the tree. You work the oh yeah. Bring the net, Scotty. We live again, guys. Got a nutting on. Ken's got another tank. I done caught one 18-pounder this morning. Fish are hungry, guys. Look at this. Beautiful out here this morning. Live action. There we go. It's too much fun, guys. Dave with Mercer Outdoors. Thanks for watching. smacking at it, trying to kill it. Wasn't it? So that was the shad. That's still a freaking good fish. Back here, we gotta get more room. Hey guys, just wanted to say thanks for watching today. Unfortunately, it's time for us to go. We've been here all day. We had a great day though. Caught a couple nice stripers and a big old largemouth. My personal best largemouth and personal best striper on this trip. So it was a great day. Enjoyed the time with my buddies though, for sure. And appreciate you guys for watching Mercer Outdoors. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also got some exciting things fixing to happen at our store. So don't forget to go check out merceroutdoors.com. Add new products all the time. You'll be seeing some of the products we use, like the Captain Max, Mini Max, and pretty much the entire Captain Max product line. We're really excited. So you guys stay tuned. Thanks guys.